Hello, welcome back to Codes, and today we are going to see course prerequisites and tools. We're going to see the things you should know before you can proceed with the rest of the course and the tools that you'll be using to develop or learning Navigator 1 in this course. So let's go and see the technologies that you need to know before you can proceed with the rest of the course. So this course assume you know that programming, so it won't teach you about anything related with that programming. So if you don't know anything about that programming, make sure that you know that, because this course assume you that you know how to write that programs. So if you don't know, you can come to this link, that.dev. You can start learning some basics so as you can be well conversant with it before we can proceed with the rest of the course. Second, this course also assume that you know Flutter, basics of Flutter, though we won't actually building very complicated layout or very complicated concept related with Flutter. But if you know Flutter, at least the basics how to run a Flutter application, this will help also. So it assumes that you know Flutter programming. Okay, the tool that we will use is Visual Studio Code. It's one of the very powerful and modern tool loved by most of the programmers out of the world. So make sure that you have it. If you are using Windows, you can download it straight. If you are using Mac or Linux, they are all available, so you don't have to worry about it. So this is a technology we are sure that we are assuming that you know them, and before we can proceed, make sure that you know it. And most of the time we'll focus on navigations, so basics of Flutter will be helpful for you to continue. So till next time, bye bye.